Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's recipe I am preparing masaledar chatpate potato pea stir fry, that is aloo matar ki sabji. For that I have taken very few ingredients. Very simple recipe this is, so you can try it at your home. So before telling you the ingredients, please go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can know that when I am uploading a new video. So now telling you about the ingredients, I have taken 1 cup of boiled potato. So this is very healthy recipe also. This is about 3 to 4 small sized potatoes. I have boiled and chopped them. 1 cup of baby peas. So we need not give them a pressure in the cooker because they will get cooked within the stir fry itself. 1 big onion chopped. 2 medium sized tomatoes. I have crushed them into a puree. About 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is fenugreek leaves. So now let's start with the recipe. Over here I have taken a pan into which I will be pouring in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil that you like. So over here oil is heated, dropping in the cumin seed. So our jeera seeds, that is cumin seeds, have turned brown. Now dropping in onions and we'll saute them till they turn golden brown. Now as you can see, our onions have caramelized. Now dropping in garlic paste, ginger paste. We'll saute them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I've taken all the spices in one bowl that I told you earlier in the video, dropping the spices. Saute them for 2 minutes on low to medium flame so that they don't get burnt. Dropping in tomato puree. And we'll cook everything well till it releases oil and our masala is done. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. You can do it on high flame also, it will take less time. So as you can see, our masala has released oil. Now dropping in peas. If you're taking other peas, then do give them a 1 whistle so that they can be cooked. Since these are baby peas, that's why I'm not cooking them in cooker. Covering it with lid for another 4 to 5 minutes so that ice can be melted. So opening the lid after 4 to 5 minutes. So ice has melted. Now dropping in potatoes. So it won't take any longer time because our potatoes are also boiled, but still we'll give them a little bit of heat. And this sabji is really very tasty. You can have it in your lunch, your dinner, or as your side with dal, in anything with boiled rice. It's very yummy. So now again I'll keep it under the lid for another 5 to 7 minutes so that the aroma of the masala can get into potatoes as well and they get cooked nicely. So after 5 to 7 minutes, let's open the lid and our stir fry is ready. Mix everything well before serving. So I really hope that you like this recipe. If you did, do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.